I'll leak your OnlyFans. There is no OnlyFans, all right? There's no OnlyFans. I'm just going to put that out there. Okay, we got to give a shout out to this power supply we used recently. This right here, we kind of went on a limb here with this power supply. We saw it on Newegg because for those who don't know, things are a little bit rough right now in the power supply world. And we gave this little guy a shot. And to be honest, it works. It's pretty damn good. Heck, which has been on here, HEC, whatever, they have been on Newegg for a while with their cases and stuff like that. They're really dirt cheap, but they have these power supplies. They're said to be 450 watt, 80 plus bronze. I've not seen anything to discredit that claim. Oztalks Hardware, what's up, man? How you doing?
What's up?
HEC is actually a good OEM for power supplies. But you know what?
I thought they were an OEM, but the best part, show the cables. The cables are just ignorant. Like,
yeah,
we
you get
got
sleeved cables.
Individually sleeved cables on top of that, braided over top. Like, for $40, you got to think, even when prices didn't suck, what could we get? Like a Thermaltake Smart, like 450-ish for that? And I don't. Do those have individually sleeved cables?
No, I think they're like the single cable cover, and at the end they go back to ketchup and mustard.
Yeah, ketchup and mustard. Yeah, so I mean, like for the price, I just was like, huh.
What the heck, for $40? Ha, I like what you did there. What the heck? Yeah, no, I mean, we bought one for a Xeon build, and honestly, it was solid. And considering right now you cannot buy power supplies, like, it's a good option. So I don't know if we should have given away our secrets. Now they're probably going to be out of stock. But just saying, this is a really good option if you're looking to get a power supply right now. And we like it. So it's pretty damn good.